What's up everyone, today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Dragacorn Glider from Fortnite. If you're new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. I'm gonna start with drawing his unicorn, so I'm gonna draw the base with a curved line right there. Then I'm gonna draw a line up, and then I'm gonna make a sharp turn back down to the other side right there, and I'm gonna add a curved line along the horn across all the way to the top right there, and I'm gonna trace the base oval shape right here along the outer edges right there. And at this point right here, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line towards the horn, and I'm gonna add a few curved line at this edge right here, and then I'm gonna make a turn to the right and downwards at this corner, and then I'm gonna make a turn diagonally to the lower part of the mouth, and then back to the left with a curved line and go back up at the corner. Then I'm gonna make a turn back to the right there, and back to the side. And from that point, I'm gonna draw a line up and out to the front part of the mouth right there, and then I'm gonna draw to the left and up at that corner right there, and then diagonally to that point. I'm gonna add a line across at this point right here, and down at the sides, and then back to the mask, and two rectangular shape for the nostrils. Now for the lower teeth, I'm gonna draw a similar shape as the lower mouth, like that, and at this angle a short line up, and we're gonna trace again the same shape at this point right here, and a line to the right there, and a black portion following the same outline as well, and a line at this corner. Now below the head, I'm gonna draw a line down and then to the right, and then I'm gonna make a diagonal turn to the back of the head, and then back to the ears on the side here with a curved line. And then I'm gonna make a turn towards the base of the horn with a curved line, and then I'm gonna draw his hair to the front of the face with a curved line right there, and it continues beyond the horn here to the front part of the face, and then a short curved line at this corner, and from the front of the face I'm going to draw a curved line up and make a turn back to the ear right there, and another piece of hair right there. Wait, I'm gonna redraw that and make it a bit thicker and we're gonna go back to the same point as well. Now for his ears, I'm gonna add a curved line at the base and a line up for the front part of the ear and turn it backwards, and I'm gonna turn it down to the base at the back of the head right there, and a line in the center point right here. Now for the left ear, I'm gonna draw a similar shape right there. And for his hair at the back, I'm gonna draw a curved line at this point right here and down to the side, and another one at this point here, and another one right there, and another strand of hair at this point here and out. Then I'm gonna make a sharp turn back into the neck. Below the mask at this side, I'm gonna add a line down for the neck and here as well. And for the eye, I'm gonna add from the inner corner of the eye here a curved line to the side, and I'm gonna turn it downwards at the right corner of the eye, and we're gonna do a mirror shape on the bottom part of the eye right here, and I'm gonna trace the outline as well, and then in the lower outer corner of the eye, I'm gonna add a line to the side right there, and inside of the shape, I'm gonna draw an oval at this corner right here, and a small oval inside of that at this corner, and a small circle on the top left corner, and I'm gonna fill that in with black color. And around the mask, I'm gonna add a few curved lines, show where the folds are, where the creases of the mask. So I'm gonna add a few here and a few at the sides, and below the mask right here, and then a long one right below the face here, and turn it up, and at the back following the shape of the lines, and also on top of the eye right there. And then I'm gonna add a line from the inner corner of the eye all the way back towards that corner at the side of the ear, like that. So now I'm gonna draw the paper bits patterns across the body. So the neck here, I'm gonna draw a curved line and turn it sideways and back up, and we're gonna copy the whole shape across right there. And then right below the neck, I'm gonna add a line down. Now at this point here, I'm gonna add his front legs, so I'm gonna draw a curved line down, and then at the bottom I'm gonna draw a semicircle line across and going back up on that side right there, and slightly above the tip of the leg, I'm gonna draw across another curved line right there. And for the other front leg, I'm gonna draw a similar line and shorter because we're seeing it sideways right there. And then for his saddle, I'm gonna draw I'm just gonna draw the hair at the back. So I'm gonna draw curve line down and turn it outwards, and I'm gonna turn it up and back to the same direction, and another here at the bottom here going down, and then a sharp turn back right there, and another strand of hair at this corner right here going out and up and back right to the side. Now for the saddle, I'm gonna add a curved line at this corner, and then I'm gonna make a semicircle turn back to the side, and then I'm gonna draw a curved line across, and I'm gonna trace the same line at the outer part of that shape across. And at this point right here, I'm gonna draw a curved line down, and I'm gonna trace the shape across again, and also slightly above that line I'm gonna draw across the same curved line again. And in the middle of the saddle, we're gonna add a curved line up right there, and another one similarly on this side, and a line across right there, and I'm gonna make a semicircle turn right there and make a turn to the left, and a semicircle turn back at the side and down. Now behind that shape at this corner right here, I'm gonna draw a curved line down, and I'm gonna turn it to the back with a straight line. And then I'm gonna make a semicircle turn back up, and I'm gonna trace the front part of that whole shape with a semicircle start at this point, and we're gonna trace that line to the back, and I'm gonna turn it upwards as well, and I'm gonna make it longer and make a turn with the semicircle back to the left and down, and I'm gonna turn it to the front with a straight line. And along the shape, I'm gonna draw a curved line all the way to the back, and below that whole shape, I'm gonna trace the outline a bit further down right there, and it's closer as you get to the back of the saddle. And at the side, I'm gonna add a rectangular shape right there, and another rectangular shape below that, and at the side below that, I'm gonna draw a strap down, and at the end of it, I'm gonna add a circular shape at this point as well, and a line across at the bottom. And at this corner right here, I'm gonna draw a circular shape, then I'm gonna add a line out and down and back to the back and back up, and I'm gonna draw the outline at the outer point around the rectangular shape with semicircle sides. So at this corner here, I'm gonna trace the same line up to the rectangles, and behind that strap, I'm gonna draw across an oval shape, and it goes to the back here as well. And at the bottom, I'm gonna draw a line to the back, and with a semicircle turn at that corner and turn it up and to the saddle. And then at the back I'm gonna add a rectangular shape and a curved line across right there, and a line across below, and another curved line at this angle right here. And inside of this rectangular shape I'm gonna draw a cross. And for the hind leg, I'm gonna draw a similar shape with the front leg at this point right here. And the same goes to the other leg. And for his tail, I'm gonna draw a curved line, a wavy line to the back, up, and then out. And then I'm gonna make a sharp turn back in, and I'm gonna trace the same line in the middle, across, and I'm gonna draw a few more strands with a similar shape. That's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time!